But this is not celebrate today. Hi. It's celebrate on March 28th during the birthday of Tatay Ligo. They moved the celebration. Ano naman. But ayaw nang dada. Nagyaw da. But, na finish siya. Nagyaw da ba? Last night celebrate. Ay ka. Finish na guys. Naman na finish. Sound system. Speaks today. Because the celebration is yesterday, last night, sunset. But okay. But they moved the celebration of Araw ng Davao in March 28. So happy Araw ng Davao. Fixing the sound system. They're fixing the sound system. Look at the voice. And the tent here. No more audience. Oh my god, it's finished. Araw ng Davao, Hugyaw Davao, celebrate yesterday. But I'm late. I'm naghantay na palaw. Today is the Araw ng Davao, March 16. But they move the City Hall of Davao. Happy Araw ng Davao, City Hall of Davao. Our old photographers here at San Pedro. Dabawenyo ay 89th Araw ng Davao, but it's celebrate next week. Remove celebration yes. Next time na ako ay mga old photographer. Diba, when you go, guys, lagi gi-move da ay ang celebration. 28 palagi daw. Not today. Karon man yun ang Araw ng Davao, March 16, but they move on March 28 during the birthday of Tatay Ligo. No? Yan, bibo si kay natanan. Nasiguro mag-itsun baka. Sana, okay, katagda ko kayong ging. May balik na ito ni Saro. Karon tayo dapat. Di man tumikon sa mga buaya. Karon, ngayon tayo yung litsun baka para makagawas na tayo digong. Kuan man ba, halad na sa mga spirits. Gapo na siyang baka. Halaran yan eh. Halad ba sa baka, ang baka pa sa birthday. Tatay digong ganyan, ihawag baka yung City Hall. Guys, thanks for all watching guys. Love you all. Happy Araw ng Davao today. It's March 16 but it moved on March 28 during the birthday of Tatay Ligo.